Hey guys, and welcome to PB Food Truck, Pillows Burgers Food Truck. So first, to prep, we gotta make our burgers. Put the knife up there, smash, smash, okay. Boop, boop. You know, just gotta. Okay. So what we do here, we just toss them on to get cooked. My knife will go on top of it. Okay, this is just prep, guys. I'm just prepping for the day. Gotta grab my butcher knife. I did not mean to start. Good. Let me finish chopping these up. Oh, no, I'm burning them. Oh, I burnt them. Throw them out. The birds bleed them. I don't think I'm opened yet. Let me just cook the knife real quick. Oh, okay. I guess I'll start. Dave. Are you serious right now, my brother? I gotta do this. Yada, 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 yada. Basically all prepped. Fries, come get your fries. I want some burgers and fries, okay? Got your fries. And now you said yellow. I see you're getting some lemonade. Good choice, good choice, good choice. Feel me? Plop. Now just a plain hamburger. I got you, bro. Now that prep phase is done, making some burgers should be quite easy. Plop you in. Enjoy your meal. What's next? Okay. Should probably get some fries. Open frying. So you fatty. My bad. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't say that. That's mean. Don't worry, guys. Pillows Burgers we're nice people. Don't worry. We don't like to bully. Unless you're a big back. Oh, shoot. Just kidding. Okay. Now I still got time, so just give me a second to put this in. Now you said you want top bun. I got you. Oh, no, you didn't want top bun. You wanted another burger, you big back. I got you that. Let me get you your drink. me get you your drink. Let me get you your fries. I got you your fries. Enjoy your meal, my boy. Okay. So you just want some fries and a yellow. I got you. Just gotta wait for these fries to get golden crispy. Gotta pour them in here. They're just frying. Alright guys, got you your drink, and now I gotta get you your fries. Enjoy your meal. It's a pretty hard day 5, you know. Okay, you want a burger? Got you a burger, boy. It's a burger. Throw some onions on the grill. Oh no, the onions! Come off. Okay. Hold up. Those are mushrooms. Chat. I know. Throw these on there again. There's a little mistake. Put you there. I got you there. I'm gonna get you your drink. Let me get your paper straw. Enjoy your meal. Okay. So, your burger. I'm gonna get your second patty on there. Get your bottom bone. That's what you want. Okay. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little stressed now. Put that there. Push you off.